Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Microsoft account sign-in from your Windows computer and switch to a local account instead. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. From there, select Accounts on the left-hand side, then scroll down and click on Your Info. You'll see that you're currently signed in with a Microsoft account. Click on Sign in with a local account instead. A blue screen will appear. Simply click Skip this step, then select Next. You may be asked to enter your PIN to continue. After that, you can create a password for your local account if you want, along with a password hint. Once this is done, you'll see that your computer is now using a local account and your Microsoft account is no longer required to sign in. If you ever want to switch back, you can easily do so by clicking Sign in with a Microsoft account. And that's it. You've successfully removed Microsoft account sign-in from your Windows PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.